Good morning, class 10 students. Now, today I will start the new topic of trigonometry. That is chapter number 11, T ratios. T ratios of some particular angles. Some particular angles means, particularly we just read only about 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so today we are going to read the value from sine, cos, tan and so on of all 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree one by one. Now then look, T ratio of first of all 45 degree. T ratio of the value of 45 degree, how to find? By geometrically. By geometrically, how we can find the value of 45? For this, we take a right angle triangle in which angle B equal to 90 degree and angle C equal to here 45 degree. Okay, here is angle B equal to 90 degree and angle C equal to 45 degree. Then from angle sum property, this angle is also 45 degree. Okay, this angle is also 45 degree. So how 45 degree? 90 plus 45 plus this x, we can calculate easily 45 degree. Now look here, angle C and angle A both are equal. So BAC, we can say that this is an isosceles right angle triangle. This is an isosceles right angle triangle. So let us consider the equal side is A and A. Then we should calculate here by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AB square plus BC square. Then what is here? The value of AB is A. Then A square, again BC value A square. It means this is 2A square. Here is AC square equal to 2A square. It means AC we can write root 2 into A. It means now the value of AC is equal to root 2A. Now according to this triangle, if I am taking this as a theta 45 degree, then according to this theta, this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. According to this 45 degree, this one also same. This is perpendicular means A, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So in triangle now, in triangle ABC, sine 45 degree is equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. It means what is the value of A? Small a. AB value small a and AC is your root 2A. Then A cancel. It means sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Move to cos 45 degree. Base is your BC by hypotenuse is your AC. Then what is here? The value of BC is again here A. The value of AC is again here root 2A. A cancel. It means cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Now sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. And we know that tan theta, it means tan 45 equal to what? Sine 45 degree by cos 45 degree and the value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2 cancel, it means 1. Then the value of tan 45 is equal to 1, we can easily calculate, and its reverse means cosec theta, it means cosec 45 degree equal to 1 by sin 45 degree, it means 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2, it means cosec, sorry, here is cosec, it means cosec 45 degree equal to 1 by sin 45 degree, then its value is root 2. Again here sec 45 means reverse of 1 by cos 45 degree, 1 by cos 45 degree, then cos 45 again, this one is also root 2, and the last one is your cot 45 degree, then it is 1 by tan 45 degree, it means 1 by 1 equal to 1. So we can easily calculate all the values sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot of 45 degree with the help of this simple figure. So this is the value of 45. Okay, now move to this is T ratio of 45. Now move to T ratio of 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree and 30 degree. How can we find the value geometrically? We can say this one is geometrically. Geometrically we can find the value of 45 easily. Now move to 60 degree and 30 degree. Let us take an equilateral triangle. Okay, in this isosceles right angle triangle, here is equilateral triangle A, B and C. Okay, equilateral triangle A, B, C, whose all equal side legs 2A side. Okay, 2A, 2A and 2A. Now from A, we just draw AD perpendicular on BC. Okay, AD perpendicular on BC. Now look here, each angle of an equilateral triangle measures 60 degree. This one is also 60 degree. Okay. Now look, these two triangles ADB and ADC. Right hypotenuse side. But right hypotenuse side, these two triangle is congruent. This two triangle is congruent. Then this angle is equal to this angle. We know that if two triangles are congruent, then its corresponding angles are equal. It means whole is 60. Then half is your, this is 30 degree. This one is also 30 degree. Okay. Now here is perpendicular BD equal to DC. Then this one is also A. And this one is also A. Okay. Now we have to calculate AD. Then what I have to do here, in triangle ADB, by using Pythagoras theorem, means AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. It means AB is your 2A whole square is equal to, we have to calculate AD square plus BD is your A square. It means AD square equal to 2 to the 4A square minus A square. It means AD square equal to 3A square. It means AD equal to root under 3A square equal to how much? Root 3. It means the value of AD is your what? Root 3A. The value of AD is root 3A. Now, in triangle ADB or either triangle ADC. Hypotenuse given, BD of A, and now we have calculated all three sides are given. Now look here, for 60 degree, okay, for 60 degree, sin 60 in any triangle, in triangle ADB, okay, or either in triangle ADC, as you wish. Now sin 60 degree is equal to, sin 60 equal to perpendicular, it means AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to, what is the value of AD? AD is root 3A by, what is the value of AB? 2A. It means A cancel, then sin 60 value equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, now same case, cos 60 equal to base. Base is your BD, BD by AB. Now what is the value of BD? BD is your A by the value of AB is 2A. A cancel, then the value of cos 60 equal to, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Now tan 60 equal to sin 60 by cos 60 is equal to, sin 60 is your root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is your 1 by 2, 2 cancel, then tan 60 is equal to root 3. Now cosec, the reverse of sine, cosec 60 equal to 1 by sin 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degree is equal to 1 by cos 60 degree is equal to, the reverse of cos is your 1 by 1 by 2, it means what? Only 2, and tan 60 degree is equal to what? Tan 60 degree equal to 1 by, sorry, tan is already, then cot 60 degree equal to 1 by tan 60 degree is equal to 1 by tan equal to what? 1 by root 3. Okay, now look here, this is for 60. Now for 30 degree, for 30 degree, okay, same thing here. Now in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, sin 30 equal to perpendicular, now BD, BD by AB. The value of BD is your, the value of BD is your A by 2A. A cancel, equal to how much? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos 30 equal to cos 30. This one is the base, AD by AB. The value of AD is your root 3A by 2A. A cancel, it means cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Then tan 30 equal to sin 30 by cos 30. It means for 2 cancel, it means 1 by root 3 cosec 30 is equal to 1 by sin. It means 1 by 2 equal to 2 sec 30 degree equal to 1 by cos equal to 2 by root 3 and cot 30 equal to 1 by tan 30 is equal to root 3. Okay. Now move to T ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree. In this we can just suppose, it is supposition, not the exact one. Okay, just we have proved this one geometrically by supposition. Okay, so let us suppose an angle. Let us suppose an angle XAY. Okay, let us suppose an angle XAY, and this one is theta. This one is theta. Now take a point P. Take a point P on AY. Now from P, just draw a perpendicular PM on AX. From P, we have just drawn perpendicular here, PM perpendicular on AX. Now look here, PMA. Now right angle triangle. Now right angle triangle. Then see here, for 0 degree. For 0 degree. Now look here. Sin theta is equal to PM by AP, perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta equal to AM by AP, base by hypotenuse. Now look, when theta is decreasing, it means now I am just decreasing the value of theta. In decreasing, then the value of PM is also decreasing. Okay, if I am decreasing here theta, it means theta is decreases, then the length of PM is also decreases. Means if theta is decreases, then PM is also decreases. Okay, now if theta equal to 0 degree, suppose theta equal to 0 degree, then this P coincide with them. Look how decreases, then this is P, this is P, this is P, and this P coincide with M. It means when theta is equal to 0, P coincide with M. P coincide with M means PM equal to 0. The value of PM, look here, PM decreases, it means it is 0. It means PM equal to 0. And PA is equal to what? AM. PA equal to AM. Okay. Now look here. Sin 0 degree. Sin 0 equal to the length of PM. PM equal to what? 0. PM equal to 0. 0 by AP. And 0 by something equal to 0. It means the value of sin 0 degree equal to 0. Now move to cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree equal to what? AM. The value of AM is equal to the value of AP or PM. The value of AM is equal to value of AP. It means in place of AM should be write AP. And already here is AP. It means AP by AP cancel each other. It means 1. It means in this way we can find the value of 0 degree, sin 0 equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1, and so on we can easily calculate. Okay, now move to 90 degree. For 90 degree. Now look in this figure. In this figure, there is the angle. Now, in this figure, just theta is decreasing. Now, theta, we have just increases the value of theta. Look here. Then this P shift here. Okay. Then this P also shift here. It means the value of AM now decreases. If we increases the value of theta, the value of AM is now decreases. And if theta equal to 90 degree, and if theta equal to 90 degree, this P is here, this P is here, it means the value of AP and PM is same and the value of AM is 0. It means when theta is increasing. Theta is increases. Then what? AM is decreases. AM is decreases. It means A coincide with M. A coincide with M, and then when A coincide with M, it means when theta equal to 90 degree, when theta equal to 90 degree, the value of AM equal to 0. Now AM equal to 0. Now this P is here now. It means PM equal to AP. PM equal to AP. It means PM equal to AP. Okay, PM equal to now AP. Now in this way, we can easily calculate sin 90 degree. Now sin 90 equal to PM by AP. Now see here, the value of PM equal to AP. It means AP by AP is equal to 1. Then the value of sin 90 equal to 1. Okay, now move to cos 90 degree. Cos 90 equal to what? AM by AP. It means now what is the value of AM? AM equal to 0. 0 by AP. It means cos 90 is equal to 0. And in this way we can easily calculate the value of tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So, okay.